Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Off to my morning walk once again. I think that's a rocket or something. Every morning there's something in there. I don't know what it is. But yeah, off to my morning walk. Birds are chirping. Look at that. Every day, the rockets or something is going up. I hear the birds chirping. Yep. I love walking in nature. Nice big palm tree there. Clouds are getting a little dark. What is this? It is so beautiful out this morning. Figured I'll take you guys along. Let's get her walking in. All those birds are really chirping. They're singing. The clouds are pretty dark. Didn't say it was gonna rain today, but who knows? It might surprise us. But what's boggling me is every morning there's rockets going off. What's up with that? I don't know. Those birds are really singing this morning. Yeah. That's why I'm thinking it's not gonna rain, because the birds are out singing along. So yeah, I'm just out walking along, getting my exercise in, trying to stay healthy. Yep. So get your healthy on, guys. A little walk will always do you some good, make you feel better. I like to get my long walks in the morning, and then I do a little short walking in the evening. But yep, oh, look at that. Those clouds right there are really dark. Yep. If anyone knows why they keep sending rockets up every day, let me know. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Well, you guys take care and have a fabulous Saturday. And I will talk to y'all later. Take it easy, everyone. Easy breezy.